Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. I got a couple of things here. I don't know what this is. I do know what this is. So let's go with what I don't know. I mean, I think I probably at one point knew. This was sent over by my buddy Josh over at the Town Watch. So I'm sure we discussed what this was, but knowing me with my crappy memory, I totally forgot, and I'm guessing it's a watch. Damn, Josh, you really packed this pretty good, so I don't even know how to open this damn thing. I think I'm gonna be ruining a box. Oh no. Oh, what is all this? Okay, this is packing. Aw, look at that. Somebody had a party. That's nice. Okay. Let's unwrap this over here. All right. Neucarl. Neucarl. Whoa, some straps. Okay. Excellent. I gotta be honest with you. I kind of drawing a blank here. I know we discussed something. Josh, I guess, had a watch in and was sending out, seeing if everybody was interested in taking a look at it. Very, very cool. Interesting watch for sure. It's kind of like, it reminded me of a sector dial. As soon as a sector dial watch kind of when it came out, but it's very different than that. It's got, wow, these are interesting lugs for sure. Nice high polish. We got a manual movement here. Interesting. I know nothing. I wonder if that's like a semi ETA 7001 or let's see here. Yep, that gets it going. Sort of. Is it? Sounds like it's supposed to want. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Let me throw this puppy on wrist. I am wearing the Seiko SKX 007 today. I don't know, I just felt like wearing it. Sometimes I feel like wearing that watch, you know? Sometimes, you know, when I'm making a fire, you know what I mean? Like, I want to put on the SKX. I feel like that's my SKX, that's my fire making watch. Oh, wow. Pretty cool. Feels, yeah, it's kind of like, it's definitely a big dial, right? I mean, there's no real bezel here, but interesting. Very, very thin and very light. Wow, this is very, very light. Pretty damn interesting. Okay, cool. Looking forward to reviewing that. Thank you, Josh. And I'll put a link to his channel. Now, I know what this is. This is something I picked up on Etsy. I just want to be very careful. Man, this Para 3, man, is so slicey. It is sharp. Just want to make sure I don't cut anything here. I've been struggling to find a rubber strap for my Panerai. Of course, I like all the Panerai stuff, right? I mean, like from their website, but it's so expensive. It could get real expensive. So I found something on Etsy. Man, I'm just being careful. Otherwise, I would have sliced it better with a knife. I just found a place on Etsy, and I'll put a link in the description. Watch straps, and got a lot of good reviews. I wanted like an army green rubber strap for my Luminor. Let me open this up here. Let's see what we got. Okay, nicely well padded. And of course, you know, I didn't realize it until after I purchased it that it didn't come with a buckle. Why is that? Why didn't they sell it with a buckle? I thought to myself. Very, very interesting. So I had to find another place in Etsy that will sell the buckle, but I have to wait for another couple weeks for that one. But very, very cool. That's just plastic. Very, very nice. Let me pull this out somewhere here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Kind of looks and feels like the black rubber official Panerai strap that I have on my Panerai. Yeah, okay, very, very excited. I love that watch. I just don't wear it enough, my Luminor, and I just need to dress it up every once in a while. The rubber strap that I have right now has a different type of a buckle. It's so I got a standard buckle here, so I had to, you know, get that in here. And fortunately, I think I have the screws, so I'm good with that. Anyway, guys, thanks again for watching this, and yeah, very excited about a new watch that I've never heard of to review in the channel, and a Panerai strap from Etsy. I'll put the link for the Etsy one site in the description. Okay, guys, have a good one.